Your team may forget. Our AI won't free us. FollowUP keeps everyone on track.
This procedure outlines the steps to set a profile picture within the Trueaiwork application. It ensures consistent and compliant profile updates for organizational users. Click the Profile section within the Trueaiwork application to begin updating your profile picture. Click the Organization tab to access organizational profile settings relevant to your account. Click the Edit button to enable modifications to your profile information and picture. Click the Upload Photo button to select a new profile picture from your device. Select the appropriate photo file to upload and confirm the selection to update your profile picture. This procedure successfully guides users through accessing profile settings, editing their profile, and uploading a new profile picture within Trueaiwork. Following these steps ensures profile pictures are updated consistently and compliantly.